In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Rohaniya Cooking Channel. Today, the recipe I've brought for you is Qeema Karelay. If you cook Qeema Karelay this way, even your children will eat it. The bitterness often found in bitter gourds won't be present at all if cooked this way. Cook these bitter gourds this way, and everyone will be licking their fingers. Your children will also eat bitter gourds because they have many benefits. When I share the video with you sometime, you'll see how we're preparing these bitter gourds in such a unique way that their bitterness will be completely gone. So let's begin the recipe. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First, we've taken about half a cup of oil. We've heated it slightly. Into this, we've added these bitter gourds, which we've cut into slices. Look, this is okay. I think a quarter kilo of bitter gourds. I peeled and cut them, then salted them and left them for about an hour. So after we've thoroughly washed these, we're now frying them nicely. Look, you can choose any shape for your bitter gourds. You can slice them into rounds or you can cut them this way as I'm doing. We really need to fry them until they're perfectly done. See, this is exactly how much we wanted to fry them, and once they were fried, we took them out. Now in the very same into the oil, we've now added the onions and tomatoes. There were two medium-sized onions and two medium-sized tomatoes, and we're going to fry them really well. Pause. You see, after we've fried them nicely like this, we've then added the mince to the pan. This is approximately half a kilogram of mince. We've also added a full tablespoon of ginger garlic paste to it. We'll make sure to mix that in thoroughly as well. Pause. And now, as you can see, we've added the green chilies. After the green chilies, you're going to add some really basic spices to this. First, I've added about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then a full tablespoon of ground red chili powder has been incorporated. And now we'll also be adding some crushed red chilies, which is approximately 1 spoon. You can see just like this. You can always adjust the amount of salt and chili according to your personal taste preference. And for the salt, we'll only be putting in a very small quantity, just a little bit. We won't add in too much salt because we've already added salt to the bitter gourds, so some of that salt will also come through. After adding about half a cup of water, we covered it and set it aside. And I had added the bitter gourds to it. Look, I couldn't record this part for some reason. After adding these bitter gourds, we mixed it well and we'll cover it and leave it for 10 minutes. Our bitter gourds are already cooked to a good extent. So after just 10 minutes, look, our wonderful bitter gourds are perfectly ready. See? And if you prepare your bitter gourds exactly this way, they will not be bitter at all. If you enjoyed this video, then please do give it a like. If you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon button. We'll catch you in our next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.